Okay, this is a block for the two 1NZ. You can see the balls for the for this block. Um, we actually on the block. You can see the lines there. They're showing, but due to the storage, you can see some last there showing there. So if at all we have to use this block, we have to on the block for about do some small honing on this block in order to remove the last. Then you can see the parts which are there. There is a pressure switch there. There is also the part for the coolant there. There is also a hole. This hole here is for the dipstick. Then I try to turn the block. Whenever you are talking the engine for the first time, so it's important to maintain the position of the cups. So the cup, you can see there is a number here. Let me bring it close. Actually indicated the cup number. It shows number 5. Then let's come to the next cup there. Shows number 4. Let's come to the next cup there. It is showing actually number 3. There's also the next cup there. There must be number 2 as well as the first cup there. You can see that it is number 1. So if you are assembling the engine for the first time, it is important to know all these tricks. Then let's move one cup, especially the mid one. This is a mid one cup. Move it. This is how it is. There is a hole groove there where we have removed the bearing there. This is a bearing. This is a bearing. And let's look at it. You can see there is a hole. Should align with the hole there. This is how you must install the bearing. And if you look at on this side here, let's turn the camera this side. Here, there is a groove-like thing. This is where the thrust washer must be. You can when you look at the other side, there is nothing of that of such, and we look at even the other side, there is nothing like that. There's one the middle which has this type of design. Its essence is to reduce the end prey for the crankshaft. And whenever you are assembling an engine, very important to look at the holes for the oil gallery. As you can see, there is these two holes here. must ensure that you put the O-ring there to prevent the leakage. Other thing, this is where look at this side. Is this part here? This is where uh, uh, the, the pipe for the coolant must be. Yeah, let's look at this side. This is where this part is for oil pump, and this one is for the oil pump, water pump, water pump. This guy here, this guy here, this one is the one which lubricates the chain. And if you look at there's this part here. This part here is the one responsible for a tension. So whenever we are organizing the 1NZ engine, it's important to know all these tricks.